Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your Facebook account without logout from this account. So friend, sometime we forgot our Facebook password but still we are using that Facebook account. That time we want to know our Facebook account password without logout from that account while we are using that account. So friend, if you really want to learn how to recover your Facebook password, then watch this video till the end. And to get more these types of video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure your Facebook application is up to date. Then open your Facebook application. Then here click on three lines option and scroll down. Then from here click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. After that, you just need to tap here on Meta account centers. Then here in account settings, you will see password and security option. Click on that option. Then here tap on change password. Then as you can see here, Facebook asked us for type here old password to make our new password, but we forgot our password. Don't worry, from here just you need to click on forgotten your password. Then you will see a page like this. You have to choose here send code via Facebook notification. So I'm gonna choose it. Then click on continue. After that you will see a notification from your Facebook account. You just need to open it. Then as you can see, they provide a login code. You need to remember it and then close it. Now type here that code and click on continue. Then type here your new password. Then click on next. Now as you can see, my account password is changed. So friend, by this way you can change your Facebook password easily without log out your account. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.